Hello students, welcome back to my channel and I am Jagdeep Prusari. In today's class, let us learn linear equations in one variable, 8th standard mathematics, NCERT or CBSE. Today I will teach you how to solve equations having variables on both sides. Exercise number 3.3 or 2.3. So without any delay, let us start. Solve the following equations and check your results. Here, in the problem, there are variables on both sides. Here, x on left side, hand side also and right hand side also. Here, you have to know only two things. One thing is how to transpose the terms from left hand side to right hand side and from right hand side to left hand side. And second thing, you have to know how to cross multiply. That means you have to know the cross multiplication. Problem number 1. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Transposing 2x to left hand side. 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Or 3x minus 2x is x. X is equal to 18. Now, let us check the result. Here, take left hand side is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into x is 18 is equal to 54. Now, let us see the result of at right hand side. 2x plus 18. RHS is equal to 2x plus 18. This is equal to 2x is 2 into 18 plus 18 is equal to 54. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 54. Next problem. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Transposing 3 to right hand side and 3t to left hand side. That is right. 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Or 5t minus 3t is 2t is equal to minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Or t is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 1. That means t is equal to minus 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to, let us write 5t minus 3. This is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 3. This is equal to 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. And RHS is equal to 3t minus 5. So that 3t minus 5. This is equal to 3 into minus 1 because 3t is minus 1 minus 5. This is equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5. This is equal to minus 8. So that LHS is minus 8 and right hand side is also minus 8. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next question. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now let us transpose 9 to right hand side and 3x to left hand side. That means constants to one side and variables to another side. Therefore, 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. Or 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Or x is equal to minus 4 by 2. This is equal to 2 1 the 2 2 the 4 minus 2 is the value of x. Now let us check our results. LHS is equal to 5x plus 9. This is equal to 5 into x is minus 2 plus 9. This is equal to 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. And right hand side is equal to 5 plus 3x. This is equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2, the value of x. This is equal to 5 minus 3 into 2 is 6, because plus and into minus is minus. This is equal to minus 1. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to minus 1. Now question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Now on transposing 3 to right hand side and 2z to left hand side. That is right. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. Or 4z minus 2z is 2z is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Or z is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, let us check the result. LHS is equal to 4z plus 3. This is equal to 4 into z is 3 by 2 plus 3. This is equal to 4 3 is 12 by 2 plus 3. This is equal to, now you think that this is 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. So that LCM is, that is take 2. Here we will write 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. Okay. Now 2 1 are 2 and 1 2 is 2. So that 12 1 is 12 plus 3 2 is 6 is equal to 18 by 2 is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. LHS is equal to 9. Now let us check RHS. Is equal to 6 plus 2z. This is equal to 6 plus 2 into z is nothing but 3 by 2. This is equal to 6 plus 3 2 is 6 by 2. Or 2 1 is 2 3 is. Therefore, this is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 9. Question number 5. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Now let us transpose minus 1 to right hand side and 1 to right hand side and x to left hand side. That is right. 2x plus x, because when we transpose left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, any term its sign will change. This is equal to 14 plus 1. Or 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Or x is equal to 15 by 3. This is equal to 5. Now let us check the result. LHS is equal to 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now let us check at RHS. RHS is equal to 14 minus x. This is equal to 14 minus x is 5 is equal to 9. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now, simplifying, let us write 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7, or 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now transposing 4 to right hand side and 3x to left hand side. Transposing 4 to RHS and 3x to left hand side. Therefore, 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. This is equal to 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0 by 5 is 0. Let us check the result. LHS is equal to 8x plus 4 is equal to 8 into value x is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And RHS is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. This is equal to 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. This is equal to 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Simplifying, x is equal to 4 by 5 into x is 4 by 5x plus 10 into 4 by 5. 10 into 4 is 40. 40 by 5. This is equal to, or 4 by 5 x plus 5 8 is 40. On transposing 4 by 5 x to left hand side, x minus 4 by 5 x is equal to 8, or let us take 5 as LCM. 1 5 is a 5. Let us see, x is nothing but x by 1. 1 5 is a 5x minus 5 1 the 5. That is the 4 into 1 the 4x. This is equal to 8, or 5x minus 4x is 1x. That means x by 5 is equal to 8, or x is equal to, let us perform the cross multiplication. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Now let us check the result. LHS is equal to x is equal to 40 and RHS is equal to 4 by 5 into x is 40 plus 10. This is equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is 50. This is equal to 5 on the 5, 5, 10s are 50. Is nothing but 10 into 4 is 40. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next is question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. On transposing 7x by 15 to left hand side and 1 to right hand side, we get 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. Or let us take LCM of 15. 5 the 15 and 15 1 the 15. So that 5 2 the 10x minus 7x is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Or 10x minus 7x is 3x by 15 is equal to 2. By cross multiplication, 3x is equal to 15 into 2. Or x is equal to 15 to the 30 by 3 is equal to 3 1 the 3, 3 10 the 30. Therefore, the value of x is 10. Now, let us check our results. LHS is equal to 2x by 3 plus 1. This is equal to 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. This is equal to 10 to the 20 by 3 plus 1 is equal to, now let us take 3 as LCM. 1 3 the 3 and 3 1 the 3. That means 20 plus 3 is equal to 23 by 3. And RHS is equal to 7x by 15. 7 into, x plus 3 is equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. This is equal to 5 3 the 15, 5 2 the 10. That means 7 into 2 the 14 by 3 plus 3. No, that is right here. Let us take 3 as LCM. 3 ones are 3 and let us take this as 1, 1 3s are 3. So that 14 1s are 14 plus 9. This is equal to 23 by 3. Now that here it is given, check your results. LHS is 23 by 3 and RH is also 23 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Now, on transposing y to left hand side and 5 by 3 to right hand side. We get 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3, or 2y plus y is 3y is equal to, here common denominator, 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. This is equal to 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21, or y is equal to 7 by 3. Now let us check our results. LHS is equal to 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 7 to the 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. This is equal to 19 by 3. And RHS is equal to 26 by 3 minus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus y is 7 by 3 is equal to 19 by 3. 26 minus 7 is 19 and common denominator is 3. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, question number 10. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Let us transpose 5m to left hand side. 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5, or minus 2m is equal to 8 by 5, minus 8 by 5, or m is equal to minus 8 by 5 into minus 2 here in denominator, minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 by 8. Minus divided by minus is plus. So that m is equal to 4 by 5. Now let us check our result. LHS is equal to 3m is equal to 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5. And RHS is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5 is equal to 5 into m is 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. This is equal to 5 1 the 5 1 the. It will remain is 4 minus 8 by 5. Now let us take LCM of 5. Let us consider 4 is nothing but 4 by 1, and 1 5 the 5 and 5 1 the 5. So that 5 4 the 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 by 5. Here LHS is 12 by 5, RHS is also 12 by 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. I feel you have understood the concept. Now I am going to wrap up my video. If you like my video, please press on like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you once again. Let us meet in next video.